How to redeem gift card on Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have installed Binance application in your device. Once done, open up your Binance app and get logged into your Binance account. Here you will see a puzzle-like icon on your top left. Tap onto that option. Under recommended options, you will also see Rewards Hub. Tap open it. And here at this page, you have to tap on to My Vouchers. At the next page, tap on Go to Rewards Hub. And here, enter the voucher code that you have. Once done, tap on to Claim Voucher. And if your code is correct, you will be successfully able to redeem it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload.